Today we will discuss about casting process. We will easily understand it how it happened. Firstly, we will discuss about pattern. This is the pattern which is used for making cavity in the sand. This is the cavity which will be made in the sand by this pattern. This pattern is of two parts, upper half part and lower half part. So this is called also two-part pattern. Now there is a core box which is used for making core. Core is used for making hole in the final product. So in this pattern we want a hole in the final product. So this core is used for making hole in the final product of casting. Now we see how casting are arranged and how this process will happen. There is a bottom wooden box for placing a drag box and cop box on it. The lower box is called drag box and upper box is called cop box. These are filled with sand for making cavity by the pattern, and they are locked with locking pins in efficient manner. There is a cavity which is made by pattern. There is a pouring cup for pouring molten metal in it. Sprue, runner and gate arrangement for slowing of molten metal. There is a riser which is used for two purposes. It will show cavity will be full or not, also for compensating the metal when this metal is solidified or product is solidified. This is core print, means this is hole in cavity. This the ladle for giving molten metal to the pouring cup. This is core blade in the cavity so that hole will be made in the final product. Now we see the working of casting process. Ladle will give molten metal to the covering cup and it will transfer it to the runner and gate arrangement, and cavity will be filled with the molten metal and riser will be the give the indication that cavity is filled. Then after this sand and this cope and drag boxes will be destroyed and final product will be left behind. But with the final product there are also these attachment like riser and this runner and gate. Also some part of the sprue will machined them, and these parts are removed by machining or hammering. Then after this our final product will be formed, and this is the final product of the casting. Now let's see one animation on the casting process.